hindi matapos yung laro. There would come times when last game we thought they won it, we came back. This game we thought we won it, they came back. Always comes down to a last shot. But I can't complain. When we're playing teams as strong as San Miguel, all we want is to get a crack in the end. So the fact that it's coming down to endgame possession means that we've done our job. We stayed with them until the end. And, you know, again, playing a team like this, that's all we want. To get a shot of staying with them in the end. So the last 2 games have come down to that. I don't expect Friday to be any different. Mahirap mag-isip ako. Yeah, from the start naman, we knew that would be the case. Lamang na lamang sila sa front court. Kami, sa back court. In the first half, it was Jared. We expected Jimmy to struggle with his shots because of the way he shot the last game. But he picked it up in the second half. Natatawa nga ako yung starting lineup, napansin nyo ba? Kumbaga sa eleksyon, talo kami sa lahat ng presinto eh. Alapag, mas matangkad kay Rosella. Contiveros, mas matangkad kay Cardona. Pingree, Washington, matangkad kay Dillinger. Siegel, mas matangkad kay Pick. And then Penisi, mas matangkad kay Ranil de Ocampo. So they really have the advantage in size. They really have the advantage in size. Ang panlalaban na lang talaga namin is our quickness and our outside shooting. And I think most importantly are just a refusal to lose and the willingness to stick to each other, to stick to the game plan, to stick to being a team. I think that's the most important thing that we've done throughout the series. Several times we could have cracked, but we kept sticking to each other, and I think that's the most important thing. Good question. Not that I recall, but I have long ago learned how to keep the past in the past. And the only thing we're focused on right now is how to come out and play on Friday. Right now, that's the only thing in our minds. Whatever happens after will happen after that. But on Friday, as of now, the only thing we're thinking about is Friday.
Live